Let's play Mario Forever. Okay, here's Mario Forever. And I did not mean forever, like ever. No, stop. That would get old fast. Very fast. Beyond fast. I mean, really fast. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with World. We might as well, I'll skip that and we'll get to World 1. Okay. Okay, I'm going to skip that. That's very boring. Bowser just comes in, destroys everything. World 1. Start. Okay. It's very easy at first. Like that. And then jump up here. To the Goomba. One of these is a hidden block. I don't remember which one. I think it has like a life in it. Gotta find it. Points. 200. Go. More coins. Jump up here. There it is. Found it. Got that. Jump up here. Firefly. It's mine. Up there, and I run. I jump, and I miss. It's supposed to be higher. If you get higher, you get more points. I'm not sure what the max is, but the most I've gotten is 5,000. I don't know how much you can get total, but 5,000 is pretty good. It took me a while to figure out what I had to do there, but I figured it out eventually. And now he goes into the warp pipe. And you're like, how do you find out he could go through them? Was he just looking through when he like fell in, or? Oh, excuse me. Fire. That wasn't well hidden. Not obviously right there. Oh well, I haven't done that yet. Ah, let's take a rest. Okay. Oh, let's go off. Yeah, this game is a lot easier, I think, than the original Mario game. But I don't really care. It's still fun. Forgot I could go in here. What's the use? There's hidden blocks everywhere. I should have a life in it. That would be awesome. Time goes by faster now. Feeling weird. There's 4 buffaloes. Kill you. Yeah, I'm kind of cool. Kill you. I'm pretty sure one was you. 8 life. This is 1,000. It's better than 500. It's still good. Tired. And I jump again. Kill you, obviously, by accident. Kill you. Now, some of this stuff is really weird. I don't remember. Like, some of this stuff is like the turtles. They don't walk on top of each other. Usually they would. It's really weird. Oh man, well, that stank. was there and everything. I expected it to be coins. I didn't remember there being a life thing. Oh, I barely missed. Oh well. At least I'm at Bowser's Castle. Yeah, it took me a long time to figure out that I could run. Obviously, got to Bowser's Castle, I got to one part, like, how do I make that jump? It's too big. It was really weird. It's like, easy jump, I could do that, and then I jumped that, and then I went to these, there's a fire cart, and when I got here, and I jumped over here, no problem, and then Daniel's like, what are those things? You know, like, they're probably just something to hurt you. But then there was this. We're like, how am I supposed to make that? It took us a little while, but then I learned I can run. So that made it a lot easier. Sometimes a lot of you block around here. I don't know why though. Another firefly. Yeah. Do the dance, Maya. Oh man. Why do that? Take this, Bowser. Oh, just one more time you would have died. Okay, well, if they're really fast. Mushroom. Jump up here. I run. I jump. I jump again. I slow down a little bit. Okay, I run again. I jump. Oh man. They did that to me on purpose. Oh, that's good. I think I'll go after the mushroom over here first. Okay. I want to see what happens. But go up here. There's some more coins. Let's go. Yeah. Look at that, Scarlet. Yeah, pretty strong. Oh, come on. Oh man. Come on, just one more time again. I usually beat him easily. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and get there. So, okay, let's do this again. Yes, I'm on the dance. Man, will you stop? I'm gonna do it. Yes. I got them. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Eat them. Look at the power. I'm not doing this. Oh, I love watching this.